Folks, DIY Dan here, and today we're going to go off the grid or the reservation a little bit, and we're going to work on something besides cars, because it is the DIY Dan channel, not the fixing cars channel. So I'm going to try to save myself $8 to $10 and try to, I've got a riding lawnmower front wheel that needs to be, tire that needs to be replaced. I've got the replacement, and we're going to see if I can do it here at home instead of taking it somewhere and paying money to have it done. I don't know how it's going to go, but let's find out. Alright friends, so this is the old one. It cracked right here and let all the air out, and of course, as you all know, you can't fix the sidewall, so it's already out of air. It's been sitting a while. It's got all sorts of fun stuff on it. So, let's see if we can break the bead here. Figure if we figure out how to do it on the old one, it'll be easier to do on the new one, right? Let's see here.
Did you see that? Where are you? I don't know. There. He's in there somewhere. On his cage. There. Hello? I hear him. Yeah,
Bead is good. Certainly makes you wish you had a machine, doesn't it? Give me a minute. Let me think about how I can work this. Alright folks, I'm going to try the C-clamp. See how that goes.
That's terrible. That's why you bend down.
Promising anyway. Let's see.
Wait, I have that was so bad.
So if I put that over this rim, side of the rim, and then right here at the, see if I can break it.
There might want to go inside.
Look at that. Ah, that worked. Alright, here's my screwdriver. Oh, here it is. Let's broke the rest of the way. Good. Alright.
Thank you. Which is mine. Open up.
Let's break it on the other side now.
That's what I usually use.
FBI, open up. Where's the kid? How do I open the door?
Do the same thing.
Yes. My leg. And yours is a little bit leaky. I know.
My kids never know when the production's going on.
Nope.
Don't care either. See? What?
Hey. We're better than our dads.
Dads? How many dads do you have?
12.
Okay.
Please leave a like on.
They can have you for the rest of the summer.
Please leave a like
Alright,
and
goodbye.
subscribe to Daddy's channel.
Alright. Well, there we go. It is now broken. The bead's been broken.
Come on, guys, ready.
I had a break. I was going to try this, but couldn't get it up underneath anything. This worked out perfect. Now the fun part, getting it off the rim. So, that's going to require a little... That's the wife. Hold on. Alright, crisis averted. Now, back to this crisis. Perhaps we need another piece of rebar. And go get that. Alright, let's see if this helps us out any. Y'all still see? Hush. Because the dog doesn't get out. That's why.
Yeah, but I was literally right behind her. You go.
Yes, I'm recording. Be quiet.
It's gonna look great on YouTube.
Well, I have the concept, but
That was my clothes, Daddy.
something just a little smaller to.
More water.
Oh, I'm going to end up damaging the rim doing that. Alright, let me think on this for a minute. Alright, folks. Long and short of it, if you don't have the right equipment, spend the $8, $10, whatever it costs. My area, I take it to where I buy my tires. I think they put this one on because, as you can see, it's still pretty new. I think it cost me $8. But anyway, right is I went all barbarian on it and took my bolt cutters and cut the bead and see if I can get it off. How that it should be at least a little easier anyway. Famous last words, right? It's so much easier when there's no bead in the way. Now, cut the other side real quick. So I just made, now let me do it over here. I don't want to hit the valve stem. Just made an incision. You'll have to forgive me, my knife doesn't have a point on it, as I call it my, what you call it. It also doubles as a flathead screwdriver. Plus, this is a good tire, so if it went through easily, I'd be concerned. Never cut towards yourselves, kids. Don't do it DIY Dan does. Alright, so here we go. For those of you who aren't clear, these tires are a lot like car tires. And this inner bead here is actually made out of metal. So that's where the problem was, because you know, metal does not stretch. So, there we go. That sound is so satisfying. Alright, so let's pull our rim out the other side here. Once again. Alright, so once again, not even going to try to put the new one on there because I am not damaging that new tire. So we'll take the old tire, the rim, and the new tire to my favorite tire shop and I get them to mount it. So, get you guys sit up here. Oh, there you are. way too much work. It's so much easier just to pay the $8 and get it done. So we all learned together that unless you have a tire machine in your shop, in your garage, or you have better tools to get up underneath that bead and spin it around so you can get it up over the edge of the rim here, get it fixed somewhere else. So this is a mission fail for DIY Dan. Although we did learn some things. We did learn we could break the bead with a C-clamp, and if nothing else, we did get the tire off the old one. We had to destroy it, but it's going to get destroyed anyway because it's useless to us. It's probably not going to save you any money when you get the new one put on, but maybe you could go in there with some sense of satisfaction. Go, I took it off. Who knows? Anyway, hit me up, hit subscribe, ring the bell, and get comments, criticisms, again constructive criticism, and hey, if you got a better way without the proper tools that you found, without destroying the tire, I'm all ears. Probably could have used a little WD-40 or some other kind of silicone spray, but that's alright. I don't know how much more that would have helped. So, DIY Dan saying, do it yourself. Why not? We'll catch you next time.